So when you buy your motorcycle here at Open Road, we do a big celebration, a bell ring, but that's not where everything stops. After the bell is rang, we take care of the bike, we take care of the customer at the same time, and I kind of want to show you how that process works. Once we ring the bell, the next thing we do is we take you through the dealership, and I want to introduce you to somebody in each department. Because as a rider, you need to know who you can go to if you need a helmet, if you need a new air cleaner, or if you get a nail in your tire. So we give you a full tour so that you always have a guy, someone to take care of you. While I've got you going through your customer path and meeting everyone that you're going to need to know, I take your bike back into our service department and we make sure that everything is right, tight, and ready to ride. We fill the tank with gas, we polish it up, we do a final inspection making sure the tire pressure is right and that there are no issues with the bike before you ride out on it. We take you back into the picture room where we're going to let you celebrate your bike under the nice lights, but I'm also going to take a moment to personally show you any features that that bike has, how to ride it, how to read the gauges, so that you're ready to get on the road and be confident that you'll be able to take that bike and get through anything you find on the open road. So I've really enjoyed showing you that after you pick out your motorcycle, it's not just sign and go and a done deal, and that you are more than a number here at Open Road. Come on in, let's find your dream bike, take a ride, and invite you back into the family.